Here's my review of American Standard Studio S faucet. Here we have it installed, and I like the design of it, but notice the scutcheons are on tight here, but these handles are really wobbly. It's a piece of junk. Now here, it's sturdy, but the machining is sturdy, but you know the way it's assembled, it's junk. That's not acceptable. We have 3 sets of these faucets. 2 are installed and both like that. And this is one that's not installed. It's straight out of the box. And you can see that when I hold the escutcheon, the rest of the handle still wobbles. Now I have one that's taken apart here. So there's a screw that was in here, and that screw pulls down on this plastic spline that goes inside of here. Now the issue is that even if you tighten this, there's still some play. So there needs to be a washer inside of this, and there is none. So this is the problem with this faucet. And I shouldn't have to fix the faucet that I just bought for $300+. So this is quite ridiculous. So I just took some Teflon tape and wrapped it around this bolt, which is probably just a little bit too long. I'm going to tighten it in and see if that does the trick. Sure enough, that fixes the handle issue, at least for now. It's not a great solution, but it does work. So now if I hold it from here, this handle doesn't jiggle around. It seems to be holding.